Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So today I will be showing you guys how I made these signs for my laundry room using Dollar Tree products. I found these decals at a Dollar Tree, not my local Dollar Tree, but at a Dollar Tree. And I already had these canvases. I have like 20 of these canvases all around. So I went ahead and took an exacto knife and I cut around the inside of the frame to expose the wood. Then I went ahead and stained the wood a dark chestnut color, I believe is what I used. But you want to make sure that you completely rip off this canvas because we will be using this canvas and it doesn't have to be perfect either. But here is the wood all exposed, and then I went ahead and stained it. Alright you guys, so here I had already made one because I wanted to make sure that the products that I was going to use was going to work, and they did. As far as my glue, I decided to use my hot glue gun instead of E6000 or anything stronger, just because this was just a canvas, but I wasn't sure how it was going to stick. And right here you see that I swapped decals because I was trying to peel it off and the letters kept tearing. So that is why I picked up 4 of these, because I knew I've worked with Dollar Tree decals before. They are not the best. Of course you can use your Cricut machine if you have one. I did not want to do that. I found these at a Dollar Tree and I just said, well, I'll just grab these. It saves me time. It saves my vinyl. But they are not the best, but I mean, you can still work with them. I think that it turned out super cute, and it's something super simple for your laundry room. So yeah, and so here I am using my hot glue gun and it worked perfectly. It stuck on there. Typically, sometimes canvases, for some reason, hot glue does not work, and I thought that the Dollar Tree canvas might not work just because it is a Dollar Tree canvas, but it worked just fine. So yeah, and that is it, and I repeated the process with all of these. Alright guys, and once I was done with putting all these little decals on these canvases, I went ahead and grabbed my cutting mat and an exacto blade, and I went ahead and just cut off the exposed canvas around the edge of the frame, and that is it. And you want to make sure that your blade or whatever you're using is not dull, because then you're going to get like little frayed pieces. But I think that this project turned out awesome, under $10. I already had the canvases on hand. The only thing that I had to purchase were the decals, and I purchased 4 just because I didn't want them to get messed up and then I will not have another. So I always like to have a backup. But you guys, under $10, even under maybe $5 actually. So I don't know, even if you have a Cricut, you can Cricut these, but I just went ahead, like I said, and just wanted to save time and my vinyl, and I went ahead and bought them at the Dollar Tree. But I really love the way these turned out, you guys. I will be putting this in my laundry room like on a shelf. I'm not going to put them on a wall. We do still have to build a shelf, so I don't know if I want to show that. I do have a video for you guys, like a laundry room makeover, but I think I'm just going to show you guys like a part 1 without the shelf, and then once we completely finish the laundry room, I'll go ahead and show you what it looked like before and what it looked like after. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next one.